driving? Awesome.
With my husband.
He's driving
Today's
for
our,
you?
we got married last night.
Why? I mean,
I'm
good
not
congratulations.
Sure, but it's going okay so far.
Yeah.
So a weekend, you're still good. That's great to
Still
hear.
good, yeah.
Give it a few days.
She did good.
He's got the control down.
Yeah.
He
it's
does. He's
really,
doing real well. He's a shark sailor, though. He's used to those.
A shark sailor?
Yeah. One of the catamarans or sharks.
Oh, that's a different kind of shark sail than we're used to.
You have the Canadian sharks.
Yeah.
No. These are English sharks.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Definitely.
All right.
Clean up.
What do you prefer? Blue lights or roar box or
Cold.
cold?
He's going, I don't think I can go under that. That looks like it hurts.
There you go, sir. Thank you.
Alright.
You're gonna make it, or gonna be done?
What?
Did you get hurt? I don't know. Like rolling at the end, like.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh.
Collision.
Mud flats.